My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the fake Chrome update alerts that come from the site Manageuberrefinedinfo-file.info. This is a dangerous and deceptive site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This website, Manageuberrefinedinfo-file.info, displays fake Chrome update alerts. These fake alerts are absolutely fake and deceptive. You should not interact with them. Don't install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. Such pop-ups are fake and deceptive, and they may force you to install unwanted browser extensions that may operate as adware or browser hijackers. If any unwanted extensions were mistakenly installed, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, and then disable and delete any of such unwanted extensions. To make sure that your system is free of other threats, consider investigating it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and begin investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.